Hello, welcome to Arte Automobilistica. Today we are opening our monthly glove box.
Good morning. Here we are once again. Yes, as Mia said, we are opening our monthly glove box. Now, it is actually nighttime. We just got the glove box. Mia just got done with cheer. She had dinner, and now she's eating some ice cream. But we're going to go ahead and open up this glove box, see what we got, check out some stuff, and then we're going to get ready to go to bed here soon because it's starting to get late already.
And take a shower, and it's
We'll take a shower. Yeah,
and it's past my bedtime.
Yes. So it's summer though, so it's okay. Here we go. Clean, drive, repeat. This is our monthly glove box.
Monthly glove box.
So we got our stuff here, which is just filler. Then we got our thank you for choosing glove box. This is just a step-by-step guide with a QR code. So let's check it out. Let's see what we have in here.
I rate it out of 1 zillion.
So we got detailco high pH soap.
And we also need to do smell test,
which is a hard wash. Now this, I believe, is going to be an alkaline-based soap. Let's check it out.
What does alkaline base mean?
Well, if it's a high pH, that would mean it's caustic. So, but I don't think it is because based on what it says, it's going to be for removing bugs and road grime. So, in theory, that should be a low pH, but I don't know. I'll dive into the chemistry later. It's got a...
I think it is a 1 million out of 1 zillion. I bet it would taste...
Well, you're not supposed to taste it.
No, I meant smell.
But we'll check this out. We'll see what detailco has to offer. This is a Bugs Dirt Exterior. It's called BDE. This solution, now this is a citrus degreaser. So this is, yeah, this smells like a typical bug remover.
It actually smells good.
Yeah, it's got a citrusy smell to it.
It smells like orangey.
Bug remover, I do like the smell of bug remover typically. So we'll see how this works.
Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't.
We got another chemical from detailco. Now this is interior clean and it says sword. This one says BDE. So they all have little names. This one, all these are fully dilutable. Ooh, no, I don't. What do you think? Yeah. This stinks.
I think I would have to give it a 1 billion. It could have smelled better.
Yeah, like I wouldn't use this.
It looks good, but it does not.
I'll test it out,
good.
But if it leaves this smell in the interior, it's a hard pass. We got a couple sprayers. Let's here and here.
Sprayer cap.
What else do we have? We got a towel.
1 zillion out of 1 zillion.
Well, this one doesn't look like a thick pile. It looks like a... Oh, it's not bad. It's edgeless.
1 zillion? 1 zillion out of 1 zillion.
This is a nice, like, interior towel. This would be something that would work really well. We got the second sprayer head. So, 2 sprayer heads, and then we got a detailing brush, boar hair detailing kit from Thor, which is the House of Rags.
Can you open it?
And this is just a couple brushes.
Can
this
I
one
see?
Is a small one, and then we have a larger one.
I like the color.
This is just a standard,
I like the color.
Hair bristle brush.
I like it. I like it actually.
They're not bad. They remind me.
It's a 1 zillion out of 1 zillion.
These are pretty decent. I mean, it's pretty hard to mess up the brushes, but yeah, this is cool. Interested to try the soap. Interested to try the bug remover. Not really looking forward to the interior cleaner, but we'll give it a try, see how it works. It has a very pungent aroma. It doesn't smell the best to me.
Yeah, sometimes things don't smell the best.
Yeah, and I think if you're using an interior cleaner or a cleanser, it should smell good because it's gonna leave traces of the smell. So I'm not a fan, but we'll see. We'll test it out, see if it actually works. We'll go from there. Mia will use these brushes, I'm sure, even though she has her own Detail Factory pink brushes. She just loves having lots of brushes. They're always handy. They always come in handy when you're cleaning out small little crevices.
Yeah, like you're doing like those small crevices. They're like perfect for the job.
Yeah, I like them. In the little buttons in the steering wheel, things like that. So, thank you for joining us. As always, we'll give everything a try. We'll test it all out. Let you know how we feel about it. Be sure to leave your comments. Tell us if there's anything else we should try out from detailco or Thor. Not typically what we usually get items from, but that's why we love the glove box, because it gives us an opportunity to try things we normally wouldn't.
Yes.
So really exciting. Thank you for joining us as always. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.